Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the language in the IMO app. Whether you're looking to switch to your preferred language or adjust settings for better accessibility, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left. Then select the Settings option from the menu. Then, within the Settings menu, look for the Language option and tap on it. A list of available languages will appear. Finally, browse through the list and select your desired language. After selecting, ensure you tap the Save button at the bottom to confirm your choice. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in the IMO app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.